Hi, in front of me is HONOR X6a, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. First of all, go into Devices settings and scroll down to access Apps section. Then click on Default Apps and tap on one of those options. I want to change my browser app, so when I click and tap on my new downloaded one, I can see that default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!